In first year, students learn the basic language of art. In second year, we build on those foundations and challenge them further. Students start the year reviewing and refining their foundations, displaying solid geometric form, light and shadow, color theory, and precise technical application using line. Organic forms are derived from geometric forms. Most rocks are angular, much like the cubes and other simple forms drawn in first year. Drawing a rock is simply a process of starting from a cube and carving away the prismatic forms. Branches operate in much the same way. A branch is a series of cylindrical forms that are twisting, turning, and splitting in space. Beyond their basic construction, both rocks and branches have a bit of randomness thrown in by nature. Students must learn to observe, internalize, and incorporate this into their drawing. These simple objects also challenge the students' design, composition, and rendering skills to make these everyday objects jump off the page. Cloth is another common drawing subject that shares this balance between structure and randomness. While the wrinkles and folds in your clothing or drapery may seem random, they all share observable patterns that aid artists in depicting the world around us. In second year, students begin learning one of the most challenging and rewarding subjects in art, the human figure. In this class, we focus on hands, feet, and heads. An artist can approach drawing anatomical features in much the same way as the rock or the branch, using a series of geometric forms to create a structure for organic rhythms. Students learn the underlying anatomical structure of these features as well as methods for effectively representing them on the page. This culminates in the self-portraits drawn from observation that you can see here or in your student's portfolio. Throughout the entire school year, students engage in building a personal portfolio of artwork to complete college applications, submit to the AP Studio Art exam, and grow themselves as artists. This investigation is unique to each student, with instructors providing guidance and support for the wide range of subjects and interests of the class. Students choose the material, subject, and process for each piece. This portion of the class allows students to tailor their experience and really dive deep into what they want to learn. Another core subject in second year is design and illustration through digital painting. Building on the skills learned through traditional painting in the first year, students are challenged to create original works of art while learning the principles of color theory, composition, and storytelling. This also prepares students to use many of the industry standard art software packages, such as Photoshop. By the end of second year, art students have a greater command of color, composition, and organic form. These skills equip students to succeed in their next step of their art education.